Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here.
We have a problem. I thought I just measured it well. I don't know. Guys, today is the day you have been waiting for. To my fans, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. So today, guys, I'm installing our new carpet and the corridor carpet and the mat, because I bought like 3 of them. So are you ready to do this with me? Are you ready? I'm so excited because I've been waiting for Thursday for so long. But you know what? Today is the day I change my carpet. I know this carpet is everything. I'll still hold on to it because I need to use it somehow. But it has served us for so many years. Actually, hubby bought this carpet when he was like starting life, and he was buying things for the house so that I can come in. So yeah, that's what happened. But now we have to change the carpet. It's so strong, it's still good, but you know, we have to change the house. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. And guys, before we start, let me show you the look before and after, so that, and then we clean the house, because we can't put the carpet on a dirty house. So I need to clean the house, but first let me show you how the house looks like, and then we get to it. So guys, this is the carpet I'm talking about. It's so good, it's still good, but I have to confess, I haven't swept the carpet. You can see some few things I didn't sweep, because why do I have to? Because I'm changing and it's coming. Actually, there's someone who is coming to get the carpet to take it to the car wash, yeah, for washing. So this is how. And then we have a corridor carpet here. Mat, is it a mat? Corridor mat, yeah. So what you are seeing will be different. And here, so yeah guys, stay tuned, watch this video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, it goes a long way, and like the video. In case this is what type of video you love, please like and subscribe. You know, let's get to 3,000 subscribers. So yeah, let's do this.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Finally, I'm done with the cleaning. That's what's the hardest part, actually. Like putting the carpet, it's easy. So that's where we are going to do. What we are going to do now is put on the carpet and everything. So yeah guys, as you see the new look of my house, you get it guys, I'm so excited. So let me show you how it looks like here. So let's arrange all these things. This is how general cleaning means, like everything it's on its place everywhere. So let's do this. Let's clean up all this mess as we put on the carpet.
Empty heart.
Guys, we have a problem. So I thought I just measured it well. I don't know. Oh my god, now this is just a waste. Guys, look, it can't even fit here. It's so big for the corridor. Oh my god. Too bad. Too bad, guys. This will just go to the bedroom or something. I don't know. Yeah, this can be a bedside mat. Because what can I do? I can't even return. So, yeah, they are non-refundable. I actually don't know where the receipt is. So, oh my. I proved myself wrong. Right. Me and buying things. Now, this mat is so big for the corridor, but I have to put it somewhere else. In our bedroom or something, because we need actually a doormat, mat in the bedroom. So that's what I'll do. Yeah, because it can't go to waste like that. I'm so disappointed in myself. I told them like I need a, is it 3 centimeters? Oh my god, I can't even confuse you anymore. Let's put on the carpet. We see how it will look like here. Yeah, let's do that, guys. Of course, this one had to fit so well. Yeah, I'm so disappointed here. So, and the way it's cute, you can't see like the original color, but so cute, and it's a 3D. But yeah, it will go to a bedside. Even it's so bright for the bed, our bedroom. So I want to decorate it.
Neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and
Guys, I didn't know it was really this hand to put on the carpet. I need help. I need help. Guys, I didn't know it was this hand to put this carpet on, and I even hurt myself. Oh my god. I thought it will be easy during the weekdays when everyone is out of the house, but it was a big mistake. I should have done this during the weekend, because I had people in the house, so they could have helped me. But I got this. We are independent ladies. We don't need help. I actually do. Yeah, I wish Abby was around, but anyway, let me pull this out together, then I see what I can do. So yeah guys, let's do this. Guys, I'm done. Whew. I can't believe this. I'm done. I'm not yet done, but I think I'll just make it better. Not today, because I'm really exhausted, and lifting these seats, it's work. So I just need to take a break, and let me show you how it looks like now, but I'll mend the carpet later, yeah, with some help. So guys, let me show you how it looks like. Guys, here is the carpet. It's a 3D. So on this side you can see like it's white and shining, but that's not it, guys. Let me come on this side and you check how it looks like. You see, so when you check on this side, it just like the light is so bad, it actually looks like the seats have this beige, and the camera is not doing so well. So when you come on this side, it's not shining, as you can see, guys. Yeah, it's a little beige brown and all. So yeah, that's our carpet. My house looks so good. It looks even better. So I was advised that this carpet should match with the seat. I don't know how true is that, because I really wanted these curtains. I'm thinking about them so much. But anyway, for now, this will do. At least it looks different. So, and on this side, you see the carpet, it's more to this side than the other side, than this side. You see, it doesn't look like it's matchy, or what should I say, it looks so. That's why I was saying I'll fit it later, but not on, because I'm really tired. And yeah, so let me enjoy my new carpet. So
Oh, wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
so this is the natural light, guys, and this is how the carpet looks like. You see, it's different now on this side. This, and let's come on this side now. You see what I was saying? You see, this side is shiny. So this is what it means to a 3D carpet. You see, looks like white. Yeah, guys, I think that's it now. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I'm just going to end this video here, and comment below what I should do with my extra carpet. You know, it can even fit here on the living room, like just a small space, but it will look funny. So I'll just take it to the bedside or something, because I wish they could take it, but I take another one, but I don't think they can. Yeah, they actually told me that. So I'll just buy another one for the corridor. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment. Always leave a comment. Like the video, share it with your friends, copy paste the link, and then you can share me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, anywhere you'd love to, you know. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I will really appreciate that, and really, what did I say? I would really appreciate that. And yeah, so yeah, guys, I'm actually tired, so let me just end this video. So until my next one, bye.